Jai Hind, dear students. The identity that we are going to see today is a square minus b square, and let us see how can we show this experimentally. And as you can see that there is a square minus b square, that is why we require two squares. One is this, that is a square, and the other one is this, that is b square. Okay, so this is what is required to us. And now when it is a square minus b square, okay, so it means that it will be a square when the side will be a, and when this is b square, it means that from here till here it is b, and the same goes from here till here. Okay, then if we talk about the leftover portion over here, see, if this entirely was a, okay, and this much is b, now this much is b, it means that the leftover portion will be a minus b, because from this entire a we have reduced this b. Now for that reason only I have taken one more square, okay, and I have taken this of same measurement. But now what I'll do is, from this part I am going to cut this b square separately, and then what I'll do is, this b square I have separated from this a square. But let us now see what we get after separating this. That is why what I have done, I am cutting this portion in this manner. Now when I have cut this, see, this is of this measurement, this is of this measurement. Okay, so after cutting, if this was a minus b, it means that this portion is a minus b. Okay, and when this was a, it means that this from here till here is a, and if this is equal to b, see, this line is equal to b, it means that this portion is equal to b. After this, let us see about this one. Now what you observe, this side is a, it means that this side also will be a, so here it is a. And if you talk about this one, so if this is b, so this also will be b. Now when I am joining these two, then what people are finding is that it is forming a rectangle. See, it is forming a rectangle, and because it is forming a rectangle, and that is why one more thing that you people observe is that this is the length, which is a plus b, and the breadth is a minus b. Okay, so what has happened is, I have removed this b square from this, and then I have taken only these two portions after removing that b square. Then finally when you see the sides, then you observe that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, because it is getting into a shape of rectangle where the area of rectangle is length into breadth, and the length is a plus b and the breadth is a minus b. So I hope that with this now it is clear to you people how this identity has come.